Why do ancient myths all talk about a great flood?
From Noah to Gilgamesh to myths in India, China, and the Americas, why does nearly every culture speak of a great flood? Across cultures, the same tale. Floods rose, worlds fell, a few survived to start again.
I think this section here might correspond to the coastal markings on the map.
Let me see. Yes, it could be. The erosion patterns match.
The line blurs. Maybe the floods weren't allegory, but history written in water. And that's why the Great Flood endures, not as one story, but as humanity's oldest memory.